Welcome. If you're looking to log out of Pinterest on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching accounts, sharing your phone, or just want some peace of mind, signing out is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you are on the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once the app loads, you'll land on your home feed, where you see all the pins and boards that inspire you every day. Next, it's time to head to your profile. Look for your profile picture. It's usually at the bottom right or top of the screen, depending on your device. Tap on your profile picture to open your personal Pinterest space. Here, you'll see your boards, pins, and everything you've saved. Now, at the very top of your profile page, tap on your profile picture again. This might seem like a small step, but it's important. Tapping here opens up more options related to your account. Scroll down the list of options until you find Log Out. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. Tap Log Out, and just like that, you'll be signed out of your Pinterest account on this device. You'll return to the login screen, ready to sign in again whenever you need. Logging out is especially helpful if you share your phone or want to keep your account secure. Remember, simply closing the app won't log you out. You need to follow these steps to fully sign out and protect your privacy. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to log out of Pinterest on mobile with the latest updates. If you ever want to get back in, just open the app and sign in as usual. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!